maglalaro kami Bedwars. Hindi ako lang pala mag-isa. Maglalaro Bedwars.
Patalon na naman si Puyo sa lagayan niya. Akala ko talaga dito ay patay na siya. Pagtingin ko nga ay matigas na siya at nilalanggam na. Pero nung hawakan ko ay nagulat ako dahil bigla siyang nagwala. Hindi pala talaga basta-basta namamatay yung ganitong klaseng isda. Totoo nga na kaya nilang mabuhay ng 1 linggo kahit walang tubig. Sinubukan ko na nga rin siyang isama dun sa mga tilapia ko kaso tumatalon talaga siya. Sa ngayon ay dito ko muna siya nilalagay sa maliit na aquarium hanggat wala sa bagong lagayan.
This kid was gonna get pushed into the water for fishing in my spot, but then he accidentally caught me. So guys, meron tayo dito. Tangke. J90.
Today I'll be doing a Temu fishing challenge. I got this rod, reel, line, and blobber blobber all from Temu, and I'm gonna see if I can catch something on it. I'm gonna go fish this bank over here because I think something will eat this. Oh, I lost one.
Oh, it's real. Here it is, boys. You like my tail? Look, he said he wasn't lying. Finally, bro. He does have KitchenAid. Oh my goodness, I'm actually gonna join the clan. This is awesome. He said you can join the clan now. Oh, wait a second. Now we gotta try him out. Show him the KitchenAid moves. Some people lie. No. How am I supposed to show him the KitchenAid moves? Okay, guys, I need to think fast. Okay, what roots kind of look like KitchenAid? You know what? I'm gonna quit T-Rex and see what they say. All right. Swipe. There you go, Kitsune move. They said, wow, that's not Kitsune. What was that? Bro, they're getting trolled so bad right now. Look, he said bro's hacking. Is that T-Rex tail and a Kitsune? I have the power of 2 fruits. What? They said clip it now, ban him? Whoa. I'm trolling. I'm not hacking. Oh my gosh, wait a second, please do not report. Bro, they're getting trolled so bad they actually believe I'm hacking. He said, then how did you do it? Okay, I'll be honest. Promise not to tell anyone. All right, guys, I'm just gonna completely lie to them and tell them I'm the son of the owner of Blox Fruits. He said, okay, I'm the son of the owner of Relax Fruits. They said, no way, that has to be Cap. He said, what's the owner of Blox Fruits' name? What is the owner of Blox Fruits' name? Oh, Rip Indra. Wait, how did I not know that? I'm dumb. I'm so sorry. Boom, Rip Indra. He said, what's taking so long to answer? I just answered, bro. There you go. Yes, they believe me. They said, maybe he is. He said, wait a second, why do you have 1 tail still? It's been 10 minutes? You should have 3 like us? I don't know, maybe it's glitched. Oh my gosh, I'm done. Alright, we need to hurry up and buy the 3 tails. Hurry up, Fulton, buy the 3 tails, we need it now. 3 tails are the bot, hurry up.
I'll target nyo
Three tails now.
I'll target nyo
Oh, it was glitched, sorry about that. I have 3 tails now. He said, finally. Alright, now for the final test, show us your kitchen and I'm the son of the owner. Just let me in, please. I'm just trying to sneak the clan. Let me in. He said, show me your transformation. Oh no, that's not good. How do I show you the transformation? Hey, can I become Kitsune transformation? Can I buy that? Oh, wait a minute, I can buy this and tell my transform. Okay, look guys, I transform and just have this mask on. Fine, you know what, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna fool them. Alright, I'm about to transform. Are you guys ready? Oh my gosh, this is gonna be hilarious. Alright, I'm gonna take off the mask. Guys, if you don't have the full mask, you should definitely buy it. Alright, so let's take the mask off. Let's put the Kitsune fruit and let's reset my character. Boom! Transformation, baby. Look at that mask. I transformed. Bro, they're gonna think I'm an idiot. Alright, let's take off the pale scarf so you can see better. Alright, there we go. He said, wait a second, that's my head. Oh, that means I'm the owner now. Give me the land. He said, no. Oh! So, yun ah. May nabasa kong comment, hindi ko lang makita. Tingnan natin kung meron.
Yun na. Hirap niyo patayin. Crossbow na naman.
Originally took only silver coins. So what did I do? Oh my gosh, there's juice inside of it. Oh my gosh! Look at this huge dude.
Thank you. Sanay. Ito nagpapatay sa akin. Play again.
It's time for another MRE. And this time, guys, we got another cold weather MRE. This one's actually in Turkey.
You will try the hard. Ang panlit. Pang panlit yan. Oy. Kaya manit ng mas fight siya. Pero meron siya mahirap. Hindi mo matalo. Ano yan? Ba't i-hold mo kasi talo? Ikaw na dun ka. Hindi mo alam, sir. Ha? Siyempre, hindi ako naglaro ng dynamite dash. Dynamite. Ba't ka natalon dyan? Kaya pala na. Sige, takbo. Uy, ba't ayaw mo, sir? Ito na naman. Ay, naku. Try mo pala. Oh, wait lang. Kumakain tuloy. Wait lang po. Sa stop muna namin to. Nina Noel, may gagawin kami sa di Maridida. Ito tuloy. Ha? Patay na. Ha? Patay na. Ha? Hello, Blocks. Oh, first time mo pa? Tagalog. Different game, bro. First time mo pa na Tagalog. Bro. What so hit is that, bro? First time mo pa na Tagalog. Uy! Ayun, just play. Konti na Tagalog. Well, pinili yung gagamit. Wala kasi yung makuwang magandang sword, kaya lagi ako namamatay ah. Papatay naman, please po. Ba yan?
So, palitan na yung damit mo. Si Jake.
Oh! Sir, stop muna po namin to. Oh. Ay, hintay namin po ikaw. Hindi mo kaya, di matididash ko. Kaya mga legendary kaya tayo. Sa'yo pro. Uy, uy. Mo! Diwag! Gusto mo gawa ko ikaw 1,000 health? Oh, diamond boot! Noel. Gusto mo gawa ko ikaw 1,000 health?
Hindi to.
300.
Bawal to. Wait lang.
Hindi pwede. Meron ako hockey.
Wait lang.
Meron ako hockey dyan.
Wait lang. Ano key?
Ha? Hoy guys! Please, hintayin niyo po si Noel. Noel, alam mo, di mo na yan maliligay ang tagal na. Di mo na yan maliligay, tagal na yan. Uy! Uy! Tagal na yan!
Kunin mo muna yung damit mo.
Oh! Pawis yan eh.
Oh, inabol nyo. Iron sword. Uy, nakadaw yung mundo.
Noel. Alam mo, hindi mo, alam mo, ano, sad ka. Pero hindi mo yan maligay. Pero na-training ka.
Talagang ayun